Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Towson Street, and I'm here showing you a travel straw set. Now this is from a brand called Kikkerland. If this will focus right here, this is a stainless steel on-the-go travel straw and also a cleaner, and it fits all right here. But I actually have the straw out here. If you don't know Kikkerland, they make a ton of stuff, home stuff, useful stuff, toys. This would be one of the useful things. First, this is the cleaner. I'm not sure if you can see that here. And it goes from this length to clean the entire straw to all the way this short, so it fits in there. And then here's the straw. It's a good size straw. You have a little mouthpiece here. That would be pretty useful. That's where you put your mouth. This is what goes inside your drink, so it's really good. And again, this collapses all the way down to this size. So it's going to be this size here, this size for the cleaner, and then they both fit inside the carrying case. So, you know, they do have reusable straws. They could be glass, it could be metal, they could be bamboo, but this is a great thing because you can either put this in your pocket or in your purse, and also clean it on the go because who knows what you're drinking. So this is my little cool travel straw set from Kikkerland. Give it a try. You can find it most anywhere, including right here. All right, thank you guys for checking this out. I will see you next time.